The next leg of our Aussie road trip, we're heading towards Lirrup Campground in Murray River National Park in South Australia. Along the way, we stopped at the Burra Exchange Hotel, where you're allowed to camp out the back for free, as long as you drop into the pub for a meal or a drink. It's not a huge space there, probably enough room for about maybe 3 caravans. We arrived on a Monday, and unfortunately they don't cook meals on a Monday, so we settled for having some drinks in the bar. The next morning we were back on the road and heading towards the Lirrup Flats campground on the Murray River, which is about 15 kilometres out from Renmark, with everything you need: shops, bakeries, bottle-os. Very convenient, so we were able to set up camp and then head into town for some supplies. Lirrup Flats is part of the Murray River National Park and spans around 2,000 hectares. It is on the floodplain on the northern side of the river and has 32 unpowered sites available to book through the National Park website. What an awesome front door view. It's beautiful and peaceful here. The fish are jumping out of the water, but we don't have any fishing rods, so we won't be catching any of them. That's probably why they're jumping out. Tony's making burgers tonight. So the barbie going out here. There is no one else at any of the camps around us, so it's very peaceful and very quiet. Beautiful big sky, big open sky, so I'm expecting there's going to be some nice stars tonight too. Very clear day. It's like 21 degrees, which for me is freezing. For those who do like fishing or kayaking, they do have little ramps or makeshift stairs people have made to get down to the water. The sites are huge. Our campsite is 50 metres by 50 metres. And like I said, it was $14.50 for the night for the two of us. But you can fit another 3 cars here. There's an additional fee for that, but pretty reasonable. Chef Tony. What you cooking?
A deluxe burger. Murray Deluxe.
So this is the Murray Deluxe. Beef, bacon, eggs, beetroot, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, fried onion, pepper, salt, pepper, tomato sauce on a sesame seed bun. Okay, that looks pretty big.
Yeah, you just busted. Yeah, better than that.
It'll still be over your face. It always is. Look how still the water is, apart from the occasional fishy splash or a pelican flying into land. You just hear the birds and Tony grumble occasionally. We saw a snake crossing the river and had to grab the camera quickly, so it's not the greatest shot. I'm not sure what type of snake it is, but apparently there's 46 species of snakes that live in the Murray. It's a shame we couldn't stay longer because we really enjoyed our stay at Lirrup Flats. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow our journey as we head back into New South Wales. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.